Fiji's allure is undeniable, but a common blunder is neglecting to research the best time to visit. With a tropical climate marked by wet and dry seasons, your choice can make or break the vacation. The dry season from May to October is prime for outdoor enthusiasts, offering sunny days and lower humidity. Remember, aligning your visit with the right season is key to a fulfilling Fijian escape. Dreaming of Fiji's paradise doesn't come cheap, and underestimating travel costs is a pitfall for many. From accommodation to activities, expenses in Fiji can escalate quickly. To steer clear of financial surprises, draft a detailed budget, including a cushion for the unexpected. Knowledge of costs is your financial compass, guiding you to a stress-free stay in this South Pacific haven. Luxury resorts in Fiji are captivating, yet confining yourself to their comforts is a mistake. Beyond the resort walls lies a vibrant culture waiting to be explored. Engage with the local communities, partake in traditional ceremonies, and immerse yourself in the Fijian way of life. Venturing out enriches your experience and connects you to the soul of the islands. Overpacking is a common misstep, particularly for Fiji's tropical setting. Heavy luggage can hinder your island mobility and dampen the spirit of adventure. Pack smart. Lightweight clothing, swimwear, and essentials are all you need. Fiji's shops are well stocked for any forgotten items, so pack light and embrace the simplicity of island life. Fiji's splendor is its natural beauty, which demands respect and care from its visitors. Neglecting environmental responsibility can inflict damage on fragile ecosystems. Embrace responsible travel. Avoid littering, tread carefully on coral reefs, and use reef-safe sunscreen. Your conscious efforts help preserve Fiji's enchanting environment for the future. Planning your Fijian journey requires attention to detail and an avoidance of these common mistakes. By choosing the right season, budgeting with foresight, exploring beyond resort boundaries, packing judiciously, and respecting the environment, your trip can be as seamless as it is memorable. For a tailored adventure that captures the essence of Fiji, far and away, Adventures is your expert guide. Contact us to craft your dream vacation, where every detail is considered and every experience is cherished. Your Fijian story awaits. Let's begin the journey together. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.